how Javanese sounds to a non-Javanese speaker. Ever wondered what your language might sound like to someone who doesn't understand a word of it? Let's take a listen and find out. Telangran mapruk lumantar cikrang seklaran krentek sumboro palang plasani prakan derkum saplen krumbang paksar lembar ngelaras dumreng. Kaloro serantrik dumadi ketranek ngelaras peloran jangkang presang tulasan pengkur mandek sintur jalang pratel semron. Krentek kambar telangkir krumban pramsik ketranan ngelampar belenang plasara pratan paurang tungkir maslat. No, this isn't what real Javanese sounds like. Because it's not Javanese, it's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what Javanese sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. I feel like I can already predict those comments rolling in. Follow me if you want to hear SpongeBob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.